Hello class, here we go. In this video I've exported, made a PDF of my portfolio. I opened it in Acrobat and it looks like this, not quite the way I want to present it. So I'm going to show you a few tricks on how to get this to show exactly the way you want it to look. And again, this really works for anything if you're exporting from AutoCAD, Illustrator, Photoshop, SketchUp, Revit, any other software you might be using. You want to do these things to really present yourself professionally and make it look good. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to File and I'm going to go to Properties. And if yours, I always do this all the time, so my Acrobat's opening up Initial View. If yours isn't, just select the Initial View tab. And the things that you want to do is you want to change your page layup to 2-up cover. For portfolio, it's 2-up cover, which basically means it's going to be like InDesign, where I have a cover page and then I have spreads following. If you don't have a cover page, then you might just go to single page. What 2-up cover is going to do is allow the pages to read independently, to easily zoom between them. Continuous is a weird scroll that I really hate, so I don't want to use continuous on any of these things. But I'm going to go to 2-up cover. And then for magnification, I just want to do fit page because that'll show the whole spread together on one page at the same scale, and it'll easily be able to show you to do this. So I'm going to say OK, and we'll notice nothing happens because that was on initial open. Well, we haven't opened it yet. This was the way we opened it last time, so nothing's going to happen. What I need to do is I need to hit save so those settings get saved to the file. Now I'm just going to X out of this file. We'll get to that in a second. And I'm going to reopen this file here. And we see it opens up. I've got this full cover page set by itself. One little scroll down on my mouse jumps immediately to the next portfolio page, double spread, perfectly seen the way I want to. One little scroll down, I go to the next page, I go to the next page, and so on and so forth. And there we go. Or alternatively, I can just scroll down on the sidebar as well. So it's very professionally presented. If someone wants to zoom in, they can to read details, but they get the whole sense. They get this layout. They understand the project. They understand the portfolio just the way I want them to. So again, I recommend doing that for any time you export as a PDF. Do those setting changes. All right. What I'm going to do in this video follow-up, because it's pretty short, I just want to show you another thing that you can do. You might email this file. I'm going to talk in a follow-up video about file size, but you can also upload it to an online places for viewing. And so one that I've liked to use in the past is Issuu, issuu.com. You can you can sign up yourself by hitting the sign up button. It's self-explanatory. You need an email address. You can do it for free, and so on and so forth. Easy to follow steps. But I have this portfolio uploaded here just to show you. And this can be really convenient because all I have to do is send this link to anyone. That's right here, and copy and paste in an email rather than attaching a PDF, which could be large size. And that could be a convenient way to do it, or to show people, or post it on Facebook, or do whatever you want to do. One thing I can do is I can hit full screen here. And if I hit this little arrow button over, it sort of unfolds in sort of this interesting little format. Now, I don't know if you can see this on YouTube, but the quality isn't as high as you might otherwise get. But for the convenience of a small email and sort of the real ease of use on the other end, it really is worth it. Because again, this is meant, the PDF email, or if you send this link this way, it's not meant to be looking at the portfolio in depth. It's meant to get you that interview so that you can bring your portfolio live with you and have a really high quality version to show them. But this, either using the PDF or using this method, can really impress someone to get you in the door. So good luck with that. Again, I want to follow up this video with something on how to change file size, because that's often an issue as well. We'll take a look at that next. Just escape.